Making acids colourful. You get a colour change when you put red cabbage into acid. Acid is how to spell acid. Acid. Red cabbage going colourless. Oh, red cabbage. The special cabbage in supermarkets is red. Red cabbage. Red cabbage going colourless indicates an acid. Yeah, if you put red cabbage leaves into an acid, the red goes away. Indicates. Red cabbage is called an indicator. Indicator. Yeah, it's a chemical indicator. If you don't know if it's acid, put in red cabbage. If the redness comes out of the leaf and goes colourless, then it was an acid. Indicators in acids go the danger colour, blood red in strong acids. Strong acids are called pH1. pH1 acids. Yeah, other indicators. Red cabbage, the indicator that's the red cabbage, that just goes colourless. But other indicators go blood red when they're in acid. Yeah, the colour of blood means acid. The H in pH is for hydrogen. Hydrogen. Acids give hydrogen ions to water. Ions. Hydrogen. N. The P in pH is the German word Punkt, meaning amount of. Lots of German chemistry stuff because the Germans were good at chemistry. pH must be a small p and a capital H for pH. They're the pH numbers of how strong an acid is. pH 1, very strong acid. pH means the amount of hydrogen ions dissolved in the water. Dissolved. Oh, I think I should put Z's there. Dissolved. Dissolved. Sugar dissolves in water. Dissolves. Hot and cold are dangerous opposites. So are acids and alkalis. Alk means a K. Alkalies. Alkalies. Yeah. Hot plus cold gives you warm. And acids plus alkalis also just gives you warm water. And a salt. Alkalis make indicators go the colour purple. The same purple as a bad bruise. Alkalis. Strong alkalis are pH 14, capital H for hydrogen. To dry growth on the... Oh, let's have a piece of paper. To dry growth on rocks, the dry growth on rocks is called lichen or lichen. Lichens or lichens. Both of those pronunciations are correct. Yeah, these lichens and lichens, they're useful as indicators. Lichens are a fungus and a plant in a symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic. Lichens and lichens, it's a C. Yeah, they're useful as indicators. Red cabbage is okay for acids, but lichens are much better. The indicator chemical we get from lichens is called litmus. Litmus paper. Red litmus paper goes blue when alkalis are added. Red litmus paper goes blue when alkalis are added. Blue litmus paper goes red when alkalis are added. Now, litmus is much more useful than red cabbage as an indicator because it tells you whether you've got an acid or an alkali. But you have to choose blue litmus paper if you're testing for an acid, and red litmus paper if you're testing for an alkali. Red equals acid. Litmus is another indicator. Mus. The hydrochloric acid in your stomach, doesn't need to be a capital H. Little h. The hydrochloric acid in your stomach is a strong concentrated acid. Concentrated acid. Hydrochloric acid is written HCl-AQ. AQ aqueous, like Bon Aqua. Aqua means in water. Bon Aqua is tap water. pH paper has many colour changing chemicals, making it red in acids, green in neutral, and purple. The purple of bruises is alkalis, red for acid. Blood red for acid. Red equals strong concentrated acid equals pH 1. Orange equals weak or diluted acid equals pH 5. 7 is neutral. So as the numbers go up, it gets more alkali. Green equals neutral, pH 7. Neutral. Oh yeah, there it is. Neutral. Neutral equals pH 7. That's same as water. Water and all the safe things are pH 7. Things near pH 7 like pH 8 and pH 6 and pH 5 and pH 9, they're also safe. They're good to eat. Vinegar will be pH 5 or maybe 4. And citric acid from lemons will be pH 4 or 5. Purple equals strong concentrated alkali, pH 14. Concentrated sen with a C. Concentrated. Strong acids will dissolve your skin, your clothes and your bones. Oh, it does take time, but yes, they will. Strong alkalis will dissolve your skin and your clothes, but not your bones. No, because bones are an alkali solid. Calcium carbonate is one of the chemicals in there. Alkalis. Dissolve. Good. Acids put hydrogen ions into water. Ions. Hydrogen ions dissolve in metals. Oh. Didn't need that N there, so that I could write an N in. Okay. Strong concentrated acids give off lots of hydrogen ions. Concentrated. Yeah, concentrated. Not much water in there. Lots and lots of acid dissolved in not much water. Hydrogen ions are written H plus ions. Good, got that one right. Next line. Alkalis give hydroxide ions, OH minus, to water. Hydroxide. Hydroxide ions dissolve hair. We put strong alkalis down sinks to dissolve the hair that blocks pipes. If your pipe's all blocked up from your sink, then we put an alkali down there. You can buy them in the supermarket. Do not put acids into a sink. No. Acids will dissolve the metal pipes. The sink... The sink and metal pipes will dissolve. Acids, don't put them down your sink. Sodium hydroxide is a strong alkali, written NaOH. NaOH. O-W-E is better. O-W-E. NaOH. Whoa, can you see the next one? Hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions get together in a violent reaction to make neutral water. Just like hot and cold, they get together and they make warm, which is nice and safe. So two dangerous things make a safe thing. Acids and alkalis get together to make neutral water, which is pH 7. Neutral water. Oh, underline neutral. Boom, 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 boom. Neutral is pH. pH, capital H for hydrogen. Neutral is pH 7, which is green. pH paper and universal indicator go green for pH 7. The universal indicator on pH paper goes blood red. pH goes blood red. pH 1 acids. Red. pH 1. The indicators go red. Well, apart from red cabbage, which goes colourless. Universal indicator on the universal indicator on pH paper goes bruise purple. Universal indicator paper goes bruise purple. Purple. For pH 14, the strongest alkalis are pH 14. Alkalies. Alkalies. Litmus goes for acids. Oh, acids, red. Litmus. It looks like it's spelled Lithmus, but it's pronounced litmus. Litmus paper. Litmus goes for alkalis. Oh, litmus doesn't do the purple for alkalis. Litmus goes blue. Litmus is from the lichens that we did earlier. Alkalies. And that's it. Excellent. If you enjoyed my acids lesson, making acids colourful, indicators make them colourful, then that's my card. I'm in Hong Kong. If you need a tutor, then you should phone me. Well, if I can help. I was at West Island School, now at the Australian International School. My email is goodluckgaryhk@gmail.com. Well, the best person to ring me is your mum. And my number in Hong Kong is 980 68342. Good.